Come back tomorrow at camp.
Dang it, I need more light. Can you turn that light on? Never mind. I got it.
It might be a little help.
I got it.
Why don't you ask your first baby next to you? Being kind of a pet. I do not know the meaning of that word.
Say hi, Maya, to people in Georgia.
Okay, you can help. Come on, robot boy. We've got a lot of work.
Hi. Say hi to Grandpa.
There's a robot boy.
Say hi to Kavara. Say hi to stepmommy, step-grandma, and Key and Kai, your uncles, your Auntie Kavara, Uncle Kyron, Uncle
Thank you,
Kishori.
Folks, follow me over to our first attraction.
You want to drink your milk?
Which is made by Francine, Oscar, and Otto. It's the one, the only, amazing.
She's like confused about what it is.
Someone care to try it? I would.
Want your milk, baby? I'm not. Oh. Here, baby. Here, your milk? You done? That's your cheese. Your veggie puff? You want your veggie puff?
So happy.
I love you. Auntie Leah. Auntie Leah. Auntie Leah. Auntie Leah. Okay, how about Auntie? Auntie. Auntie. Okay. She's right.
Step right this way, ladies and gentlemen, and see the most strange animal of all time. The last living dinosaur, the Frogosaurus. Watch it climb up.
Maya in action. Look at her. Maya in action. You're just fond of this camera, aren't you? Say that one more time.
It's okay, Mom. It doesn't bite. And for our last
Hello. I thought you could say hello.
welcome to Olivia's Spectacular.
Okay, say daddy. Daddy.
I've done it without my little brother Ian. She's right. She's
Dada.
Oh, Ian.
Watch carefully.
Dada.
The amazing robot boy.
Dada.
Welcome to Olivia and her brother Ian's fun house.